Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel Cravings Feed Your Feelings. Being rich in protein, paneer is also useful for weight loss. So I Hina bring you the paneer recipes for weight loss. So let's see the first recipe. This is very quick and effortless recipe. So in a normal pan, I'll add little oil like 1 teaspoon or so. When oil is little warm, then we'll add cubes of paneer. This is ready-made paneer I am using. It's already cutted in cube size pieces. As I have used normal pan, not the non-stick one, so my paneer will stick to the pan. So I will flip the paneer to avoid this. Normally everyone asks me how you make paneer because it sticks a lot. So that's why I have used old normal pan to show you guys. Also when it sticks, it gives a beautiful color and texture. So I like that. Now we'll add spices. First I have added little turmeric and then very little chili powder. We'll not use many ingredients in this because we want to make it easy, quick for weight loss. Now I have added a pinch of garlic powder and little bit ginger powder. If you don't have this in powder form, then you can add ginger garlic paste also. Now flip the paneer and toss the paneer to mix the turmeric and chili powder. We have to mix nicely so that each paneer get coated nicely. Have I forgot to add something? What is that? Let me think. Oh yes, I forgot to add salt. So sorry. So I'm adding salt. 1/4 teaspoon or so, and we'll flip it again and mix it again. While flipping the paneer, you can see the paneer has sticked to the bottom of the pan, but we'll not remove that now. We'll first cook our paneer, and while plating we'll take out our paneer first, and then you can scrub and take out the bottom part. And that will give more crunchy and crispy taste, and you can enjoy that too. So now we'll cook the paneer for 2 to 3 minutes. So the rawness of the ingredients will cook and it will add with the paneer and give the delicious taste. So you guys must be thinking how paneer will help you for weight loss. So let me explain you this. So what paneer do? Paneer reduces your appetite and helps to reduce your belly fat. Also it changes the level of certain hormones of weight. Now you know how paneer is very beneficial for our weight and health. So I hope you guys now get boosted enough to become rigid on your diet plans and start dieting. And with this recipe, your diet will not be hard. You can enjoy eating your diet food also. While we were talking, our paneer has turned beautifully well, and look at this color, it's looking amazing. We'll just turn and twist once to check See the beautiful texture of the brown color on yellow. It's looking amazing. Plate it and enjoy. So very quick and simple recipe of paneer for your weight loss. Do try this and add in your good diet. Now let's move to our next recipe. This is also very simple and delicious. So for this, here I have taken non-stick pan and will add very little oil. Usually non-stick pan helps us to reduce the use of oil. So first we'll add cumin in this, followed by some green chilies. In chili I have given just a cut in between so that it should not get cracked and burst up, and let it crackle it. Now we'll add some finely sliced onion. We need to cook the onion till it becomes translucent. It will take little time to cook. Keep stirring in between. And now I'll add some ginger garlic paste and mix it. Now we'll add some green bell pepper. This I have thinly sliced. And it has its own taste and it goes very well with the paneer. Stir it little bit and let it cook for some time. Now our onion and bell pepper become soft. Then we'll add some sweet corn. Mix it nicely. Now finally we'll add paneer in it. Apart from protein, paneer is rich in fat, iron, calcium and many more, which makes it even healthier choice. I hope you like my information and my recipes, and is it so, then do like and subscribe my channel and try these recipes and comment me that how you find it. Now we have mixed it nicely and we'll let it cook for some time. For that we'll cover it and let it keep for some time. Whoa, look at this steam. But it is giving a beautiful delicious aroma. So we'll mix it little bit and now we'll add some spices. So first I have added black pepper powder, then salt to taste, and we'll mix everything well. Foodies, good health gives you a smile. I am trying that hard to give you smile, and you also try to give me thumbs up if you like. So after some time of our cooking, we'll garnish our dish with coriander, which will give more flavor in it. And this is ready to serve. Serve this amazingly delicious paneer with lots of corn, bell pepper, which have their own benefits, and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Keep eating, be healthy, be safe. Bye bye.